in 4 months. He knows the drill by now. He'll probably be excused from having his fingerprints and a mugshot taken, and once inside the courtroom he will hear the charges and enter a plea of not guilty. The indictment alleges that then President Trump spread lies about voter fraud after the 2020 election in order to try to stay in power, and that he knew these claims were false. Mr. Trump's legal team are pushing back against the prosecutor's desire for a speedy trial, saying they need time to organise his defence, and are arguing he will not get a fair trial in front of a jury made up of Washington residents, a city that mostly votes for the Democrats.
The leader of last week's military coup in Niger has condemned sanctions imposed on the country by the West African Regional Bloc. General Abdurrahman Chiani described the measures as illegal and inhumane. The United States has ordered all non-emergency embassy staff and family members to leave Niger. Some British nationals have flown out of the country on a flight arranged by France. Gwent police are reviewing